Many of you also telling us about sidewalks still covered in snow and ice in your neighborhood. Instead of a safe place to walk, they're posing a danger to navigate. And 10 News reporter Lauren Davis joins us to explain who bears the burden to clear those sidewalks and the impact when they're blocked. Lauren?
John, sidewalks across our area are constantly being used, but after a snowstorm, they aren't always a first priority to clear. I spoke with disability advocates about why this isn't just a problem for people with disabilities. It affects us all. In the city of Knoxville, the responsibility of clearing snow and ice from a sidewalk belongs to the adjoining property owner. And in the county, crews maintain sidewalks on public streets, but they prioritize the roads over walkways.
If you have the physical capability to do so, it would be nice for you to please shovel the sidewalk and put the salt down.
When sidewalks are covered in snow and ice, people walk on the road, which are usually more clear. But that doesn't make it safe.
It's not ever safe to walk in the roads, especially, well, let's just say if someone is in a wheelchair and they do need to get in the street where it's safer, there may not even be a ramp for them to get down into the street.
Catherine DePietro lives in Fountain City. She uses a wheelchair and says she has a system that helps her when conditions aren't good.
I have a ramp, and the ramp will let me ride out to the car, but I take a rug with me, so when I'm transferring from my wheelchair to the car, I can level the ground as far as ice.
DePietro says accessibility shouldn't be an issue that divides us. It should unite us.
I want people to know that we got to stick together. We're together in this. It's not a war. It's a chance for us to come together and to reach out to each other.
Catherine Moore with the Disability Resource Center says another issue that's affecting people with guide dogs, wheelchairs, and other mobility devices are the scooters that are parked on the sidewalk, especially when they're snow covered.